Hi, this is Bill Vilberg with another one of the Fun Friday videos. Today we're looking at StumbleUpon. StumbleUpon lets you bring up interesting web pages. I find it absolutely fascinating, but I do find it a bit of a time sink. Let me show you. Let me open my page. This is the StumbleUpon toolbar up at the top, and in the top left it says Stumble. I click on that, and it brings up what happened in my birth year. Well, that's interesting. 1949. Getting darker and darker, back in the dark ages, I guess. Now, I've never been to this page before. I've never seen it before. There was no Google yet, or Yahoo, I guess not. Okay. Top selling movie was Samson and Delilah. I'm going to go ahead and stumble to another page. Sure you want to navigate away? Yes. Oh, color theory. I could spend some time on this, but let me do another couple stumbles and see where we come to. Tree branch falls on power lines. A YouTube video. Again, keep going. A definitive list of the 99 things you should have already experienced on the internet, unless you're a loser or old or something. If you haven't seen all of these, many of them are YouTube videos and other things. I do encourage you to go through that list. I've seen it before. I'm going to go ahead and click on I like it because I don't have time to do it right now, but I would like to come back to it. And I'll show you. Let me do one more stumble. The master of origami paper folding. Oh my gosh, is that beautiful. Look at that. And this is the kind of joy and wonder that I get as I look at these pages and say, this is just unbelievable stuff. Okay, there's an all button here. Right now it's stumbling through all the things that I've indicated that I'm interested in. Let me cut that down. Let me go to ancient history. Now it's going to stumble to one of the pages in ancient history. Goes to this page from the BBC. I've got a Norwegian background. Let me go to the Vikings. Interesting. Let me do another stumble. Oh, the pyramids from a satellite image. Isn't that amazing? Huh, never been there. Certainly would like to visit there sometime. Petra, lost city of stone. Oh, yeah. Another beautiful site. Underwater city off India. So, you find all these pages. You can pick a category, or you can go out and just work on them all. You can go down to update topics. When you go to update topics, you end up with my topics, and I've got 92 of them checked off. There's way more than 92 here. Here are the 42 suggested topics. Here's art and art history, and you can see out of 38 I've got maybe 10 there. Computers at a 43. I've got quite a few there. Sci-tech, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 checked off. So if you're interested in biology, check biology. I can't get to biology from my all. If I go down to Sci-tech, I only see the 4 that I've checked, and I'll never get any of the pages from biology. or mathematics or marine biology or whatever. So you want to spend some time on this, and you want to change it every so often to get some new pages. And that's it. That's what Stumble is all about. Now, I've got an account. I'm logged into it, and therefore when I click the I like it, it goes into my favorites. I can go over here to favorites. Remember, we just did Greg Rudder's definitive list of 99 things you should have already experienced. Well, at 10:50 this morning, I'm recording this at 10:50 a.m., I added it. Here's one Richard Feynman a video that I did at 10:33 when I was preparing for this. Weekend house in New Hampshire, beautiful architectural thing. High-speed photography. So what happens is you go through and you look at these, and they are just incredible. And if you click Stumble again, you're never going to get back to the previous one. So I encourage you, if you look at one and it tickles you, if it piques your interest, please click the I like it so you've got some hope of finding it again. I didn't do that for the first week or so that I was using this, and many pages went by that I will never find again, I fear. So that's StumbleUpon. Let me show you how to add it to your browser. Okay, so I've removed StumbleUpon from my browser. So I'm going to show you how to add it to Firefox. Let's open up Firefox. Let's go up to the Tools and the Add-ons. Go to Get Add-ons and search for Stumble. And there's StumbleUpon. I'm going to add it to Firefox. Gives me the warning. I'll install it anyway. I trust this. Still installing. It says restart Firefox to complete your changes. I'll do that. Shows me that I've added StumbleUpon. It's yellow here, so I can just close that down. So it's taken us to the StumbleUpon website and asks us to create an account. I've already got one, so all I have to do is sign in. Already have an account, log in. But you'll need to make a username, supply your email, create a password. I'm going to go ahead and log in. This lets you enhance your searches with StumbleUpon stars when people have said if it's a good page or not. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that on, though I haven't used it much. I'm now ready to go to All. And because I have an account, this has set up all my settings. When you go through, it will ask you to choose which things you want, or you can just go here and go to Update Topics and set which topics you want to have on your page. Note, you can't have them all. There is a limit. I tried picking them all one time, and I don't remember if the limit was 100 or 125 or something, but there is a limit to how many topics you can have on your page. And that's it. It's installed. It's ready to go. There is a view menu that lets me hide my StumbleUpon toolbar if I want to get some work done, or show it if I want to see what's going on. This is Bill Wilberg. This has been another Fun Friday videos. Hope you've enjoyed it. Today we looked at StumbleUpon at StumbleUpon.com.